Welcome, explorers, to the playground of the rich and famous, Monaco. If you've wondered what are the places I can travel to in Monaco, or what are the best activities to do in Monaco, or how Monaco is one of the richest countries, that too being smaller than Central Park, well then, you are in the right place. Here is the ultimate guide to Monaco, the fascinating history, captivating culture, and thrilling experiences that make Monaco a must-visit destination for travelers worldwide. Have you ever wondered how Monaco became the ultimate place to travel? Or are you curious about the cost of traveling to this luxurious paradise? And let's remember the mouth-watering culinary delights and exclusive shopping destinations waiting to be discovered. Stick around because we are about to share all the insider tips, must-try experiences, and places with bonus parts that will make your visit to Monaco an unforgettable journey. From the most luxurious hotspots to hidden gems, we've got you covered. So, let's go. Monaco's journey from a modest principality to a glittering playground for the rich and famous is nothing short of remarkable. Over the years, this tiny enclave has transformed, carving out a niche for itself as an extravagance on the French Riviera. The Grimaldi dynasty had visionary leaders. They made strategic investments in infrastructure and tourism. Monaco has cultivated an image of exclusivity and allure. This attracts jet-setters from around the globe. Its pristine beaches, top-notch casinos, and vibrant culture have made it a must-visit destination. It's for those seeking the ultimate luxury. Monaco may be tiny in size, but it boasts a wealth of fascinating facts that illuminate its rich history, vibrant culture, and thriving economy. Let's dig deeper into some of the most intriguing tidbits about this captivating principality. Monaco is tiny, but it proudly holds the title of the world's second smallest country. It sits snugly between the blue waters of the Mediterranean and the Grand Coast of France. Yet, within its borders, Monaco pulsates with vitality and allure, captivating visitors with its charm and sophistication. Monaco is famous as a tax heaven. It attracts rich people and businesses from around the world with its low taxes and financial perks. This status has been pivotal for Monaco's prosperity. It solidified Monaco as a sought-after destination for the world's elite and a playground for the rich and famous. Monaco, the epitome of luxury and lavishness, hypes a plethora of iconic attractions that cater to all travelers' whims and fancies. Let's stroll through some of the must-visit spots in this glamorous city. You'll be swept into high-stakes gambling and lavish entertainment. You enter through the doors of the legendary Monte Carlo Casino. The landmark has ornate architecture and opulent interiors. It attracts the elite and the adventurous alike. It offers an unmatched experience of indulgence and excitement. The Princess Palace is regal and historic. It has stood atop a rocky point by the Mediterranean for over 700 years. The palace has breathtaking views and a rich heritage. It offers a captivating glimpse into Monaco's royal legacy. It invites visitors to go back in time and explore its majestic halls. Discover Monaco's spiritual side with a visit to the Monaco Cathedral. It's a masterpiece of Roman Byzantine architecture that is tranquil and graceful. Admire its stunning facade. Step inside to see its serene interior. It is the final resting place of past rulers, including the beloved Grace Kelly. It is nestled amidst dramatic cliffs. It offers panoramic views of the Azure Sea. The garden flaunts a diverse collection of exotic plants and succulents. It is a peaceful retreat for nature lovers and adventurers. Stroll down the charming villages of the French Riviera, such as Issy, Saint-Paul-de-Vence, and Antibes, each offering its unique allure. Wander through medieval streets, visit art galleries, and soak up the laid-back atmosphere of these picturesque towns. Now, let's see the top activities that Monaco has to offer, guaranteed to make your stay in this glamorous principality an unforgettable one. First up, immerse yourself in the charm of Monaco's old town, where narrow cobblestone streets and historic buildings tell tales of centuries past. You can explore quaint boutiques, artisanal shops, and bustling cafes as you soak in the ambience of this picturesque quarter. Monaco would be complete with experiencing the adrenaline rush of the Monaco Grand Prix. You'll watch in awe as Formula One cars zoom through the streets of Monte Carlo, leaving spectators breathless with excitement. Last but certainly not least, the ultimate luxury experience with a spot of shopping and dining in Monaco's exclusive boutiques and Michelin-starred restaurants. From haute fashion to gourmet delicacies, Monaco offers a feast for the senses that is sure to delight even the most discerning of travelers. Now that we've covered the practicalities, let's get to know the rich cultural experiences you want to have or came here to experience in Monaco. Start your cultural stroll by immersing yourself in the art and history of Monaco at its world-class museums and galleries. From contemporary art exhibitions to historical artifacts, there's something to captivate every art enthusiast. Take advantage of the opportunity to attend one of Monaco's many festivals and events, celebrating everything from music and dance to food and fashion. Experience the vibrant energy of Monégasque culture as you join locals and visitors alike in celebration. When it comes to experiencing the glitz and glamour of Monaco, without a hole in your wallet, finding affordable accommodations is critical. Here are some recommendations to help you stretch your budget while still enjoying the lap of luxury. Consider staying in boutique hotels located slightly away from the city center. These hidden gems often offer stylish accommodations at more reasonable rates compared to their counterparts in the heart of Monaco. For a cozy and budget-friendly option, look for guest houses or bed and breakfasts operated by locals. Not only will you save money on accommodations, but you'll also get the chance to experience genuine Monégasque hospitality. Another cost-effective option is to rent an apartment or studio for the duration of your stay. This allows you to save on dining expenses by preparing your meals and provides a more immersive experience of living like a local. Getting around Monaco is a breeze, thanks to its efficient transportation system. Here are the various options available to travelers. Monaco's public bus network provides convenient and affordable transportation around the principality and neighboring areas. With regular routes and reasonable fares, buses are a popular choice for budget-conscious travelers. While taxis in Monaco can be more expensive than public transportation, they offer a convenient way to get around, especially if you're traveling with luggage or in a group. Look for reputable taxi companies to ensure a safe and reliable ride. If you prefer the flexibility of having your vehicle, consider renting a car during your stay in Monaco. This option allows you to explore the surrounding region at your own pace and convenience. With its compact size and pedestrian-friendly streets, Monaco is perfect for exploring on foot. Lace up your walking shoes and take in the sights and sounds of this enchanting principality at your leisure. Traveling to Monaco means treating yourself to luxury and sophistication. Still, it's essential to attain the local customs and etiquette gracefully. Here's a glimpse into the social norms of this lavish princedom. Tipping is not mandatory in Monaco. However, it is customary to leave a gratuity of around 10% for exceptional service. This gesture is appreciated but not expected, so feel free to tip according to your level of satisfaction. Monaco is synonymous with style and elegance, so it's wise to dress the part, especially when dining at upscale restaurants or visiting exclusive venues like the Monte Carlo Casino. Opt for chic attire such as cocktail dresses or tailored suits to blend in seamlessly with the sophisticated crowd, only if you want to. Monegasque society values politeness and respect, so be sure to greet locals with a friendly bonjour or bonsoir, depending on the time of day. Remember to speak softly and avoid disruptive behavior, especially in public spaces. Indulging in Monaco's culinary scene is an essential part of the luxury experience. Here are some must-try dishes and culinary experiences to entice your taste buds. This savory pastry filled with Swiss chard, ricotta, and Parmesan cheese is a Monegasque specialty to be noticed. Savor the light flavors and crispy texture of this traditional dish. People often enjoy it during Monaco's Barbizon festival. Originating from nearby Nice, Sokka is a popular street food in Monaco made from chickpea flour and olive oil and seasoned with salt and pepper. Enjoy it hot off the griddle for a simple yet satisfying snack that captures the essence of Mediterranean cuisine. Sample Monaco's seafood delights with stuffed mussels, a dish featuring plump mussels filled with a savory mixture of breadcrumbs, herbs, and spices. Paired with a glass of crisp white wine, this flavorful dish is sure to delight seafood lovers. A visit to Monaco would only be complete with pampering in a spot of luxury shopping. Here are the top destinations to satisfy your designer cravings. Located in the heart of Monte Carlo, the Carré d'Or is home to a dazzling array of designer boutiques, including Chanel, Dior, and Louis Vuitton. Take a stroll along the glamorous streets. Admire the latest fashion trends in this fancy shopping district. Nestled beneath the iconic Hotel Metropole, this upscale shopping center boasts a curated selection of luxury brands and designer labels. From haute fashion to fine jewelry, you'll find everything you need to elevate your wardrobe to new heights of elegance. For a more authentic shopping experience, explore the bustling stalls of the Condamine Market, where you can browse fresh produce, local delicacies, and artisanal crafts. Take the chance to sample regional specialties like olive oil, cheese, and honey. Let's talk dollars and cents, or should I say euros? Because we are exploring in Monaco. While traveling to Monaco is synonymous with luxury, it's entirely possible to experience its lavishness without breaking the bank. Here's how. First off, accommodations. Monaco has some of the world's most exclusive hotels. But there are also many budget-friendly options. These range from cozy guest houses to stylish boutique hotels. Consider staying just outside Monaco's city center for more affordable rates while still being within easy reach of all the action. Now, on to dining. Dining at Michelin-starred restaurants is undoubtedly a treat, and you can also savor the flavors of Monaco without splurging. Opt for local eateries and street food vendors to sample authentic Monegasque cuisine at a fraction of the cost. Finally, let's talk about activities you can do in Monaco. Some experiences in Monaco come with a hefty price tag. Still, there are also many free or cheap activities to enjoy. For example, you can stroll through public parks, explore local markets, and take in views from scenic overlooks. Finally, our trip through Monaco is coming to an end. We've learned all about this fancy place. It has tasty food, specialty shops, and fun day trips. You can eat traditional Monaco food, shop at high-end stores, and explore cute villages along the French Riviera. Monaco will give you an unforgettable experience. It will leave you longing for more. You've enjoyed this insider's guide to Monaco. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel tips, destination guides, and adventure inspiration. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Together, let's explore the world one destination at a time. Subscribe now and join our community of wanderers. Happy travels!